Hi, welcome back to my channel, guys, and welcome back to another episode of Cruising with Goldy. So, guys, I'm at deck 5 now. Deck 5, what you're going to get is the reception. If you want to work on a cruise ship as a reception, this is a kind of an area which you're going to work on Cordilla cruises. You can see the reception desk is not that big. Understandable, because Cordilla cruises, which this cruise particularly, is not that huge, so the reception is this much. Now at times at reception you can always get 3 to 4 people. The office is inside. You can see at the reception, you can see different watches which shows the different timing. France watch is not available. Dubai, India, Singapore watches is there. So these people are available 24/7 if you're coming on a Cordilla cruises. So at your service reception, the service desk people are always available. You can come here anytime, night shift, daytime, afternoon, they will be serving you. And if you want to work in a reception area, guest services, you require a hotel experience, especially 5-star hotel experience. Well, guys, let me tell you what exactly is the work duty if you get selected on a cruise ship in a front desk department. As you already have an experience working in 5-star, 4-star hotels, airports, and all that, you are qualified to work on a cruise ship in a front desk department. You're going to perform the same duty which you are performing right now on the land. It's a customer service. That's it. Whatever query people have over here, the same kind of a query they will have there. They will not ask you what is the depth of the sea and all that. They will ask you what time is the breakfast start, what time is the lunch start, what if I miss the lunch, can the food be provided after that, what is the exchange rate, how I need to pay the bills. It's like that. That's it. Nothing new. Whatever you are doing right now, the same thing on a cruise ship. They work at least 10 hours a day because they need to stand and answer to the query of the guest. But this job is very nice, highly paid job. I'm not sure about Cordilla cruises, but other cruises people do get around $1,600 to $2,500. So it is a very nice job in other ship also and here also. So this is a little information about the reception area of a cruise ship on a Cordilla cruises. See ya.